Welcome back, guys. My camera says the battery's dying. I'm going to try and get you on charge so you can watch this, but this is what happens when you get a Baylor PTO shaft in a bind. Kind of snapped her right there. Apparently, right there it had been welded and somebody put a partial sleeve in it at one time. So I've got some 1.5 inch black iron pipe. It's the best I could find on a Sunday. So I'm going to try and sleeve the whole thing. Cut it off right there to cut it off right here next to the weld, and run a sleeve all the way back there and as far forward here as I can, and try and make it one solid piece, and then probably plug weld it together, because that tubing, the tubing they made this out of, sorry about that, you can see how thin that is. So we're definitely gonna have to do something else with that. So I'm gonna try and sleeve it. I'll take you along for the ride. Let me get this thing on charge. I'm just going to cut it off right behind the twisted up spot so I get a good square clean end on it. This one has already been sleeved once. I cut it right behind where they sleeved it before. There she is. I'm damn sure what much of a sleeve they put in there. Look at that. Okay. Now let's see how far we can. That was a mistake. Shot greasy crap all over my face. Cut that and then see if we can't clean it up enough where it'll just slide together where we get that last little bit. Well guys, I don't have much battery I have left, but there you go. We extended it a little bit to make up for what we were cutting out. Got her all welded up and get her put back on the tractor and hope she works alright. And it's nice and straight so she doesn't wobble too bad. We'll see you then.